Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to freeze your Chase credit card. So freezing your Chase credit card is pretty useful in case your credit card gets stolen or whatnot. You can just freeze that so no one else will have access to your account. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to do this freezing thing. Let's get straight into it. So first step is to sign into your Chase online account. You can do that on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. You can sign into your account either way. So just sign into your account, and step 2 is to click on the credit cards, and then you want to select the credit card that you want to freeze. Assuming that you have multiple credit cards, you can just choose the specific one that you want to freeze, and then you want to click on account services, and then you want to select freeze card. Now you're gonna need to confirm that you want to freeze the card. You're sure of that, and it's not just a mistap. And once you've confirmed it, the card will be frozen, and you're not going to be able to use it for any new transactions. And also, anyone else who has the card on hand is not going to be able to use that card anymore. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to freeze your Chase credit card. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.